I'm just gonna put some foil over this just to kind of keep it warm. So. Okay, I've got a little bit of butter and a little bit of oil in my pan here. So I'm just gonna put in the really chopped up onions. I'm not gonna say fine, but since they're going in rice, I don't want big bits and pieces of onion. So I'm gonna let this saute a little bit. I don't want them brown, I don't want them caramelized. I want it to really, you know, go nice with the rice. But just cook them down a little bit till they're translucent and soft. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in the garlic. Because you don't want the garlic to burn. And just really a lot of olive oil, lemon juice. A little bit of butter, parsley, just to really give it that kind of, I don't know, a little bit of Greek flair to it. I'm just kind of trying this out, guys. So I'm going to go in and add in, this is about 3 cloves of garlic. And because it's only Chris and I only have maybe about a little less than a half of an onion. And then I'll probably just set this aside so the rice and the quinoa continues to cook. Then we'll get going on the chicken. And then as for a vegetable, I mean, I think with any green vegetable that's really kind of in season will go nice. Gonna turn this down a little bit. But I think for tonight, I'm just gonna make Chris and I a little salad, a little green salad with a little bit of cucumber, a little bit of radish, maybe some green onions, and kind of serve it with not a vinaigrette. I might do a vinaigrette, but I think we've got enough lemon. Okay, I think that's cooked down enough. I'm just gonna set this aside. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying it. And I would really appreciate it if you liked it and subscribed to it. And oh, don't forget to click that little bell up there and you'll be notified of future videos that are new and coming on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for that. And I would really appreciate it if you shared the video and let other people know and encourage them to subscribe and like the videos as well. So anyway, thank you and back to the video. Okay, I'm changing it up a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get the rice all ready because I can keep that warm. And then that way, when I'm done with the meat, I can serve it up. I probably cooked more quinoa and rice than really Chris and I needed. But that's par for the course. So I'm adding the quinoa. Quinoa, I think, is one of the best grains. It's a protein grain, kind of. I don't know. It's just really good. So I did just 1 cup of quinoa, 1.5 cups of water. I would probably have used a chicken broth or vegetable broth if I thought about it, but I didn't. I was too much in a hurry. Crazy me. And then I've got the rice. I'm going to go ahead and add. Boy, these pans are hot. I'm going to go ahead and add the rice. I just thought adding rice and quinoa would be kind of a good thing. We're going to kind of just stir that up. Just kind of combine it. Because I like butter on everything, this is probably about a tablespoon or so of butter. If you want more, add more. I mean, I am going to add some olive oil to this, but I don't know. There's just something about butter. So stir that up. Then if you remember earlier, I had some onions and garlic. We're just gonna mix that in there. And if you wanted to, you could do rice and orzo. That would be a good combination, I think, too. I can't remember who turned me on to quinoa. It might have been my trainer back in the day. He and his wife Diana, my trainer was David. She used quinoa, and I hadn't really heard about it. This was probably over like almost 10 years ago, and I thought, oh, I'll give that a try. Okay, olive oil, yeah. We're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to this. I'm not gonna add salt and pepper yet because I wanna see how all this tastes. I've got a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onions, and that's what I mean. You had your rice and your quinoa in here. I wanted to not mince my onions, but really chop it up well into tiny pieces. So we're gonna add a bunch of parsley in here. We are going to add some lemon zest because I think that'll add a brightness and some really good flavor to it too, besides the lemon juice. So this is about a half a lemon. Okay. There we go. Get this lemon out of here. Like I told you, we got a lot of lemon happening. Okay, let's see how much. I tell you, I love this thing because I just don't have the long fingers to really like squeeze it. So this lemon juicer or lime juicer or whatever, it's kind of my little extension. You know what, I'm gonna cut this end off because I don't think I got all the juice out of this lemon. So I'm gonna do this a little bit more. Oh yeah, just that little bit. So you could use one whole onion, but I'm only gonna do a half. Oh yeah. I think this is really colorful with the rice and the quinoa. Let me take a little bite. I want to see if I need any salt. Yeah, I think I need a little salt. Oh, that brightness of the lemon. And then you have a little bit of, just a hint of that sweet onion. Okay. So I think and I'm just gonna put some foil over this just to kind of keep it warm. So, and I don't think this is too hot. We'll add in, oops, some rice. And this probably would have gone well with a vegetable, but that'll be next time. So here we have it. We have boneless chicken thighs, Mediterranean spice, boneless, skinless chicken thighs with quinoa, lemon, quinoa, rice and quinoa, lemon with parsley, garlic, and onions, and then a little tossed salad. So anyway, from my little kitchen to yours, I hope you follow Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. You can find this recipe and all the other ones there, and also on my YouTube channel. So check it out and enjoy.